Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today's video we have the second of 5 of Papa Smurf's Headbangers Ball challenge box. So this one today is Dirty Deeds. It's a 5-pin euro. Take a look at the bitting. Nothing overly complicated. Works fine. Do is we shall pop it in the vise and let's see if we can get this open. I'm just going to be using bottom of the keyway tension with this wiper insert and Lock Tools Gem Pro. So let's get started. Nothing on 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 1, 2, 3. Nothing on 1 still. 2. Another click on 3, 4, 5, seems set. And we're in pin 1 binding at the front now. Nothing too complicated, nice pick, good feedback. Do enjoy these challenge locks with the crazy pins because you do get some good feedback from what's going on inside. Okay, what we shall do is that and we'll gut it. Let's take the camera down for this. We have the key. Another one of these clips. These are my nemesis. Let's see if I can get it off today. It's quite loose. There we go. Grab the shim. Four. Cool. We'll take a look at these key pins first. So everything did need picked. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So definitely work been done on all of these. Serrations, kind of like a half spool bullets. And driver pins. Jeez, that's a strong spring on that. 1, 2. Oh, coming up. 3. 4, still be in there somewhere. You can see it. It is definitely in there. There we go. 5. And the springs to go with it. It's a mix of springs in this one. Spring on pin 5, that's a strong looking spring, that's solid. Cool. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. There's still 3 to go for the series. Doing other videos in between. Gorgeous locks, what a set. Very lucky to have been passed this on. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, leave a like. Always open to feedback. Give me a comment. Leave some information, I don't know, whatever. Speak to me. And if you haven't already done so, subscribe. Have a nice day. Thank you.